Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you this product that I just found, and maybe it will be something that can make your life a little bit better or pleasant in these hot days during the summer, of course. Originally, I just got a advertisement when I was on Instagram, and it looked really funny because it's a dual fan that goes around your neck, and you can position it whenever you want that air to flow or blow on you. But yeah, never buy stuff from those advertisements. They are way more expensive than you should pay for them. So go on eBay. I don't know, at the advertisement on the site was redirected. This one costs maybe double or triple the price for what I paid for. Look, you can go on eBay and just search for neck fan or portable fan, and they will pop out for under $9, and that is shipped. So this is the box, some informations here if you need to check them out. This here is really important. The battery, it will take a 18650 accumulator, so one of these larger batteries. This is not a AA. Yeah, it is not supplied with the unit. You will get two pads. You can put some oil. You can stick it onto the fan, but this is not nothing that I will use. You will get a really short USB micro cord, which is also nothing that I will use. It has a direct USB port here, so you can charge the battery if it is inside. I have not checked it out if it will function with the cord only without the battery, but it defeats the purpose of the portable fan, so that is nothing that I'm interested in. So the battery is installed inside here, really easy. So you take your battery, put it inside, and you can see it is a little bit raised on this part, and therefore I don't know what, but it will not fit completely flush, so you have to push it down and lock it down like this. This could potentially break after some usage, but yeah, let's face it, $9, a little bit of duct tape. So now we can position it however you like, and here is a button. You need to make a hard push. They will start, and you have 1, 2, 3. So on the maximum settings, these two fans will provide a nice cooling effect to your head, probably, if you are using it for your on your neck. Other applications are probably just let your imagination flow. I did try to use it on different occasions. Yeah, on a high settings it is really nice. It will cool you down if you are sitting in an environment where it's around 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. It will cool you down. But watching TV, yeah, it could bother you or it could be problematic. But on the low, it's completely doable. Also on medium, you have to maybe increase the volume. So just a funny a little tool. The potential negatives are, of course, also here with this product. Firstly, like I mentioned, the battery compartment cover. Then, of course, I don't know how long will this will stand to attached, because always you are moving it around and you are putting it on your neck. Then, of course, the fans themselves, I don't know what kind of durability they have. This is really stiff, this is really loose, so yeah, who knows. And also keep in mind that there is a high flow of air from these two fans, so if you are maybe allergic, or if you have problems that your eyes dry quick out, keep in mind that these will dry out your eyes. So if you want to use them, then you probably will have to apply some kind of eye drops to your eyes. I tested it for around 6 hours, and yes, my eyes did got a little bit red, and I had to apply some eye drops. But yeah, it is what it is. Hopefully the hot days will go fast. About the battery, so inside of this I have the let's turn it off. You have to long push it again. So with this Ultra Fire, this is 9,800. On the low, I got around 4.5 hours of continuous operation. On the medium, you will probably have less, and on the high, of course, even less. So keep that in mind, that you will probably need a few batteries if you want to last you during the day. And that is probably everything what I would like to comment about this product. Always go on eBay, check them out to get the best possible price. Do not buy through those advertisements. They are on the social medias, because yeah, you will overpay. Okay, so this was the neck fan. If you have any questions, feel free, leave comments down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knives, gear oriented. And I wish you a nice day, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.